Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to look at an interesting way of making money. This will not be online, it will be rather in your own city. You're going to showcase your city to tourists or travelers that might be interested in visiting your country or your city. I'm going to look at 3 different companies that allow you to do this, and they pay money into your bank account so you don't have to deal with PayPals and transfers and all that. They pay you directly and it's cash, and you get to set your own hourly rate. If you want to find out more about these companies, stay tuned. So our first company is Tourizan. So Tourizan.com is actually helping you to make money by being a local guide to tourists that want to avoid the touristy trap that you normally get when you go to when you are traveling. So they have their services in many different countries. You sign up on their website. Okay, let's just have a look down below what kind of countries or which countries they have available. So we have Lesotho. If you live in Lesotho and you want to make extra money in Maseru, this is an excellent way to do so. Tanzania, Croatia, the list goes on. Morocco, the Philippines, Ghana. They have so many places. Let's have a look at more places they might have to offer. We have Algeria. Wow, Australia, Barbados, Botswana, Burundi, Cambodia, Brazil. The list goes on, guys. So all you have to do is just register with them. Of course they're going to do a background check and verify you because safety reasons. They don't want any scammers listed on their site. But this is great. You can make extra money and also get to meet people from all over the world, different backgrounds. This is a great job or gig for somebody that is, bubbly, likes to talk, likes to take people around, likes to showcase their city, and has a great bank of knowledge about what's great in their city. Food wise, could be architecture, could be historical, whatever that it is that makes your city unique and what you love in your city. Some people might also fall in love with those things. Passion really shows itself when you love what you're doing or you love your city. This is a great opportunity for you. Another one that we're going to look at, the second company that we're going to look at, is called ShowAround. Now ShowAround is along the lines of Tourizan as well, because they want the traveler to experience the authenticity of different places, because there's nothing more boring than going to a great city and all you get to see is the tourist side. You just get the souvenirs, get the pictures in the popular spots, and you never get to interact with the locals or see how the locals really live. This is a great opportunity for people that want to make that extra money. And also with ShowAround, they actually let you post your resume or talk to the tourist via your profile, how much you want to charge per hour, and they also help you with the payment. They do everything, so that's an excellent thing. You don't have to deal with PayPal, the transfers, cancellation, any of that. Of course, you have to give good tours, and then after the tourists have enjoyed the experience, they have no complaints about you, you did everything right, then they transfer the money right into your account. So check them out, guys. Now, the third one that we're going to look, third and final one, is a Viable. Now, Viable is also one other site that helps the locals earn extra money for showing tourists around. And with this one, you have to create an experience, right? You have to create the experience and list that you can make videos to show what you have created, or you can just post it on the website where you show, maybe, let's say for example, you have great food in your city and you have great, I don't know, beaches. Let's say Brazil is beautiful anyhow, but things that make your country or your city special. Create an experience around that, and then you'll be able to sell it. Basically, that's what we're doing. You'll be able to sell that unique experience to people on a Viable. They would buy it through Viable, and then you get to show them around. There you have it, guys. So we looked at tourism and Viable, as well as ShowAround. Those are the three companies that we looked at today. Well, thank you for watching this far. If you found any value in this video, please like, subscribe for more content like this, some other ways of getting an extra income, and also leave a comment below. Tell us or tell me, what are you going to start with? Are you going to start ShowAround, or are you going to start tourism? What are you going to do for extra money? Let us know below. If you have any other interesting side hustles that you are doing and finding success with, please share with the rest of us, because we all want to make an extra income. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.